Welcome to the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro ZL110 review. Experience the ultimate blend of power, performance, and aggressive styling with the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro ZL110. This high-performance muscle car is built to dominate the streets and the track. In this presentation, we'll explore the ZL1's bold exterior design, driver-focused interior, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating performance. Get ready to unleash the beast. Let's begin. Exterior design. The 2025 Camaro ZL1 features a muscular and aerodynamic exterior with iconic Chevrolet front grille with lacked-out accents, new adaptive LED headlights and DRLs, 20-inch forged aluminum wheels, quad exhaust system with black chrome tips, aggressive hood vent for improved airflow. Its bold stance ensures it commands attention on every road. Interior and comfort. Inside, the ZL1 provides premium Recaro performance seats with leather and Alcantara, heated and ventilated front seats, 12-inch digital instrument cluster, Chevrolet Infotainment 3 system with 10.3-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, Bose premium audio system, safety and driver assistance. Safety features include Chevrolet Safety Assist Package, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, powertrain and performance. The 2025 Camaro ZL1 boasts 6.2L Supercharged V8 engine, 650 HP, 650 pound-feet torque, 6-speed manual transmission with active rev matching, 10-speed automatic transmission option, rear-wheel drive with electronic limited slip differential. Performance capabilities. With its magnetic ride control suspension, high-performance Brembo brakes, track-tuned aerodynamics, the ZL1 delivers jaw-dropping performance. 0 to 100 km/h, 3.5 seconds. Top speed, 320 km/h. Quarter-mile time, 11.2 seconds. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 is available in 3 trim levels. 1 Zloty Coupe, starting at $72,500 USD. 1 Zloty Convertible, starting at $77,000 USD. ZL1 1LE Track Package, starting at $79,500 USD. Each trim is engineered for peak performance and thrilling driving dynamics. Experience the ultimate American muscle car. The 2025 Chevrolet Camaro ZL110. Power, performance, precision.